Welcome to Steaking House Meat Lovers. My name is Andre Husmeister, and today we're gonna talk about duck breast. The good thing about this one is it is a smoked duck breast. Came across this one in the supermarket. Let's see if this is good. I know that duck breasts in the sous vide is actually a very good way to do it. Enough talking, let's get to it. Wow. The smoked smell is so good. I wonder if I just found a duck breast that wasn't smoked, to do a comparison. That would be awesome. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is score the skin of the duck. Cut it through as much as possible without trying not to cut the meat underneath it. This is gonna be very important when searing in the pan so that it doesn't, curl on itself. All right, well, the smell is super good, guys. So, actually it's already salted, so I was going to salt the skin. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Very little. Because I don't want to over salt it because it's already salted. Okay, duck is seasoned. Now it's time to go to the sous vide. But today I'm gonna do something different. I've seen people asking me in Facebook or in the comments down below. There are so much preparations. You have to buy a lot of stuff to start doing sous vide, and that's not actually true. So I bought this container, but you don't need it. You can actually use a high pan like this and put your sous vide machine on this one. One thing that you don't need also is the vacuum sealer. You can use Ziploc bags just like this one. Let me place this inside the bag just like this. And now we're gonna use the immersion technique to get the air out. What you're gonna do is you're going to let this go down. Actually, it's a little bit hot, this, to help me out with this. So I'm gonna push this to the bottom. And the air is going to be expelled, and then you just close the Ziploc. And you can see that it is vacuum sealed. And that's how I'm gonna do it today. But make sure that the bag that you're using is BPA free. Don't risk your health. And that's it, guys. You're gonna be good. I'm gonna sous vide this baby. I put the duck to swim, man. That's funny. So the duck is gonna swim for about an hour. So to go with our duck, we're gonna have a salad. I have some mixed greens. I already chopped some stuff here. I have pickles, I have cherry tomatoes. So to finish this, I'm gonna put this aside, get a grana padano. Don't wanna overpower it, so just a little bit. I'm gonna just make some cubes, small cubes. Here we are. Eat your greens, okay? So all we need now is a little bit of salt. Olive oil. And I have a balsamic vinegar with, it's a dark chocolate balsamic vinegar. This is super good, guys. I always buy this from the filling station in Chelsea Market here in New York. If you happen to get there, don't forget to buy this one. It's super good. And also the truffle salt. Black truffle salt is amazing. The white truffle salt is also super good, but I love the black truffle salt. And it's time to take this out of the sous vide. Wow, wow. Gonna pat it dry. The trick here is because I'm gonna use the pan to fry and crisp the skin and the fat, we are going to risk overcooking. So because of that, I'm gonna put this guy in the freezer for a few minutes so that it gets cold and protects the doneness, because I want it perfectly medium rare. This is smelling so good, guys. I could eat it like this. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes. Let's wait for 5 minutes. So while I was waiting for the duck to come to temperature, I actually opened a bottle of wine because I'm gonna use it, create a sauce after we sear the duck. And of course, because red wine is gonna harmonize perfectly with the dish. 5 minutes. It's not cold, but it's not warm. A little bit lower than room temperature. So let's start heating the pan and adding a little bit of butter. A little bit olive oil is just to make the butter a little bit more resistant to the heat. So now that our pan is very hot, we're gonna add the duck. Make sure all the surface of the fat is rendered. So I'm gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. While I do that, let's do some sauce. There's too much fat in here, so I'm gonna save this. Let's put a little bit. A little bit of apples. And to finish our sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet chili jelly and a little bit of raspberry jelly. So that's about it, guys. I have here my reduced sauce. It's very thick. Have here my duck breast that already rested for more than 5 minutes because I took a little bit more to make the sauce than I expected. My salad, you remember those apples that I throwed in this sauce? So it's here on top of my salad. It's gonna give an amazing flavor to the salad. And now it's time for us to cut this duck breast, and I'm very curious to see how it is inside. So I'm gonna slice it and wow. Wow. Okay guys, so I have to taste it before I finish preparations. I don't care if it's gonna look beautiful or not. Wow, they smell, guys. Well, it's not very juicy, but well, it was already smoked, so I guess all the moisture, all the juices were already gone in the process. Whoa. Wow. Why do I always make this face while trying this stuff? Looks like it's like just pretending, and it's not. It's not. I'm not pretending, guys. Wow. This is super good. Wow. Holy duck. Well, of course, this is not a traditional duck breast because it was smoked. So the flavor is very different than what you expect from a duck breast. But it's so good. It's so good. And the crispy skin is just awesome. It's just awesome. This is fantastic, guys. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this, guys. This crispy skin is something else, guys. It's a work of art, guys. So this is it, guys. It's time to try this with the sauce. Wow. So you can eat this with or without the sauce. The sauce adds so much flavor. It's rich and rich, packs a lot of flavor. But without it, it's also super good. I'm gonna try my salad. Wow. This salad is super good. This is a fantastic dish. If you guys want to impress someone, and it's so easy. Ah, man, this is fantastic. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. And please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Turn your notifications on. Share this video with your friends. Thank you again for watching this video, and I see you guys in the next one.